to start a streak on Snapchat, you have to go ahead on Snapchat application and make sure to sign in to your Snapchat account. So in order to start a streak on Snapchat, first thing first, you have to take a snap on Snapchat. So once you take a snap video or snap picture on Snapchat, you can simply add a text here with the T icon at the top right corner. On this text, you need to write in streak. So once you write in streak, you can also use this pencil tool and you can draw as symbol here. Later, you can also add different kinds of sticker here or music that you wish to, and you can tap on this send to button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here you can select any friend that you wish to in order to start a streak on Snapchat. Now you can tap on this bottom right corner airplane like icon, and that is how we have already sent a snap that says start a streak on Snapchat. So when both of that user or both of users on Snapchat agrees to start a streak by continuously sending snaps from both sides for 2 or 3 days, there will be fire like sign next to the user name. That means that is a streak and you already have started a streak on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.